We are pleased to show you the 2019
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, leather trim seats, traction control, power steering, cruise control, airbags, front knee, universal garage door opener, heated steering wheel, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
We've been serving North Texas since 1978. We've built our business for nearly 40 years on treating our customers right. Are here for you for the life of your vehicle. The next time you're looking for a new or pre-owned vehicle, come visit our family at James Wood Decatur.